Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you a simple yet effective way to keep your Facebook Messenger inbox organized by archiving chats on your PC. This feature is super handy for decluttering your conversations without losing any important information. First, let's get started by opening Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options and updates from your friends and family. But for now, we're focusing on Messenger. Look up at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see the Messenger icon. Click on it to open your chat list. Now you'll see all your conversations listed out. Find the chat you want to archive. Maybe it's an old conversation that you don't need to see every time you open Messenger. Or perhaps it's a chat with valuable information that you want to keep but don't need to access frequently. Once you've found the chat, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots next to it. Click on these 3 dots to open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Archive Chat. That's it. Your chat will now be moved to the archived folder, keeping your inbox clutter-free while still retaining important conversations. Archiving chats is a great way to keep your Messenger organized without deleting any messages. If you ever need to access an archived chat, you can easily find it by clicking on the 3 dots at the top of your Messenger window and selecting Archived Chats. This will show you all your archived conversations, and you can open them or even unarchive them if needed. By archiving your chats, you're not only keeping your inbox tidy, but you're also ensuring that you can quickly find important information when you need it. So, take a few minutes today to organize your Messenger chats and make your online life a bit more streamlined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips on managing your digital life.